If you are watching this video, well then 3 things are for sure. A, आपको MBA करना है. B, CAT देना है. C, you don't know anything about CAT and that's why you're watching this video. And you are at the right place because in this video हम decode करने वाले हैं everything that you need to know about CAT 2025. Now अभी जून है and CAT का exam is in November. If you still haven't started studying, you're not late, but you better gear up. And to begin with, first things first, what is CAT? CAT is Common Admission Test, which is like an entry ticket, a gateway to 21 Indian Institute of Management, IIMs in India. Now बहुत सारे B schools accept करते हैं CAT का score, but there are also certain B schools like ISB, XLRI जो अपना खुद का या कोई दूसरा exam accept करते हैं, but that we'll cover later. As of now, we are only sticking to CAT. Now CAT is conducted annually. साल में एक ही बार होता है और नवंबर के लास्ट संडे को होता है. तो इस साल 30th November mostly will be your CAT exam date. Now you have got a brief idea about what is CAT. Now you need to know whether or not you are eligible to take it or not. First thing first, you must have a bachelor's degree. Minimum 50% marks are required and 45% if you are someone from reserved category. If you are in your last year of graduation, you can still take the test and later on after completing graduation, you have to show your mark sheets and you're all sorted. Now एक ऐसी चीज़ जो CAT एग्जाम को बहुत यूनिक बनाती है वो ये है कि there is no upper age limit. यानी कि अगर आप 21 के हो या 31 के, you can still take the test. If you're ready to hustle, CAT is open for all age brackets. Just that you must have a graduation degree. Now you know about CAT, whether or not you are eligible, you need to know now the exam pattern and structure. CAT एग्जाम 2 घंटे का होता है, 3 सेक्शंस होते हैं और हर सेक्शन में 40 मिनट्स होते हैं. क्या मतलब 40 मिनट्स हर एक सेक्शन को दिए हैं, यानी कि देयर इज अ प्रॉपर सेक्शनल टाइम लिमिट्स. और 3 सेक्शंस कौन से होते हैं? VARC, DILR एंड क्वांट. 40 minutes to each section. You cannot switch to the other section जब तक आप फर्स्ट सेक्शन कंप्लीट नहीं कर लेते. Now what are the kinds of questions that are asked? देखो ये ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होता है, आपको सेंटर पे जाके इसे अपीयर करना होता है. क्या ये completely MCQ based होता है? Well no. There are also another type of questions asked, that is TITA, that is type in the answer questions, जिसमें basically question के नीचे just एक block होता है and you have to actually type your answers over there. अब इसकी मार्किंग स्कीम क्या होती है? फॉर एवरी करेक्ट आंसर यू आर गेटिंग +3 एंड फॉर एवरी इनकरेक्ट आंसर -1 की नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. नाउ हियर इज अ कैच ओवर हियर. जो टीटा बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उसमें कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती है. तो जब भी आप प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे आपको आपके टीचर्स हमेशा एडवाइस करेंगे कि नो मैटर व्हाट, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू अपीयर फॉर टीटा बेस्ड क्वेश्चन बिकॉज इट्स अ विन-विन सिचुएशन. Now coming to the section wise breakdown, VARC, DILR और quant में number of questions क्या रहते हैं? Well it varies over the year. काफ़ी साल change होता है, काफ़ी साल same रहता है. अगर last year की बात की जाए तो VARC में there were 24 questions, DILR there were 22 questions and quant में there were 22 questions. So it keeps on changing but you have to ensure that you are giving equal time to all these subjects. Now you have got all the information related to CAT. You also need to have a look at the timeline कि किस महीने क्या आएगा. So CAT 2025 का official notification अभी तक नहीं आया है. जुलाई के end तक you can expect it. Now registration early August में start हो जाता है and by mid September it ends. Admit cards they get released by late October and आपको जो exam है as already stated last Sunday of November को होता है. So now you know what CAT is, who can take it, what all is asked. This is your head start. In the next video, we'll look at the time management hacks as to how you can crack CAT in the remaining months. Meanwhile, you can also go and visit our YouTube channel where various videos are uploaded. अगर आप अभी basic से start करना चाह रहे हैं, बहुत सारे concept based videos are there on our channel that is CAT by LPT through which you can actually clear your foundation. There's a whole series 0 to IIM where we are teaching students free of cost with every day a lecture being uploaded. And if you are someone who is in mid-level of their preparation, you can watch our live video every day at 6 PM जिसमें हम daily CAT के most challenging questions आपको solve करवाते हैं. So make the most out of it. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe now.